my gosh, hello, come on in.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. This is my Aunt Frida
Hi,
and
Frida.
my Uncle Bill.
Hey, Bill.
My mom, who the clean is for, actually, we have a ton of people in the other room.
Okay.
My dad actually just passed
Okay.
last week, and we needed to get this done because she just like cannot keep up with everything.
Yeah, no worries.
We are all kind of in the dining room right now, just having a little. Everyone's like a mess.
Yeah.
So if there's just any way that you could start, maybe like in the basement, because that's where it's like the worst.
Yeah, that was my next question.
Yeah. So if you could just start down there,
Yeah.
so that we can get everything done up here, and then as soon as you're done, like with everything but the dining room, just let us know, and then we can like go out back.
Yeah. Well, we'll just work around each other. Just let me know, okay?
Yeah. No, I'm so sorry that there's so many people here.
No, it's okay. Well, it's part of my job. I'll work around it. No worries.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah.
And
No
I'll just show you where to get to the basement.
worries. Okay.